No smoke. Rev it. Rev it. Absolutely. No smoke. No smoke. Perfect. Come to the engine again. Right, so 54,000 miles. Nice engine. Z16XEP. Today's date is the 3rd February 2015.
My anniversary.
Yeah, Mickey Delance. Lovely engine. Jackie sweating.
He's out now if you'd have been under the patio.
Yeah. Nice engine, lovely engine.
Turn it off, Dave, too warm.
See if I can sell that today. Beautiful.
God.